Video here. So pretty blah. Much of the snow is gone since the end of the last video, which was about 6 hours ago, give or take 4 to 6 hours. Yeah. Pile over there, pile here. Yeah. Yeah, pretty basic stuff. Not really much to note. Yeah. I will leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys with the 4 o'clock update a little bit later on. Here is the forecast. So we gotta do this quick here. We got showers possible today, with winds becoming south 30, gusting to 50 early this morning. There's a little bit of wind, but nothing like being forecasted. And then those winds diminish down to 20, gusting to 40 becoming light this evening. Tomorrow, no longer any snow possible. It's just becoming cloudy in the afternoon and periods of rain. Snow level hanging around 800 meters. Monday night we got some showers. Tuesday, bloody warm with 10 degrees. 10 degrees Tuesday, but windy conditions possible, as you can see there. And then Tuesday night, 40% chance of showers again. Well, 40% chance of showers across the board for Tuesday, with 0 degrees. And then it cools right back down Wednesday here, with a 70% chance of showers, with changing to a 60% chance of showers Wednesday night and 1 degree. Okay then. And then Thursday, we got 60% chance of showers. Thursday night, we got 40% chance of showers or flurries and 0 degrees. Friday night, we got a 30% chance of flurries, and you can see a gradual cool down essentially. Sorry. But yeah, pretty messy stuff here. This is really the bulk of it right here that I should be showing. This is really the stuff I'm looking at for the next little while. Showers Monday, and then Tuesday right through till Thursday. Showery conditions. Like rain, showery conditions. Well, I should be saying like this, but yeah. So there's that. And then the weather network is just as ridiculous in terms of the amount of precipitation that will be possible, or the amount of days with precipitation possible. Let this load in here. And as you can see here, letting this load in, starting off here, focusing on this here, rain Monday, showers Tuesday night, rain and snow Wednesday night and Thursday day, flurries Friday night. It's almost on par with Friday McKenna almost. And then you scroll down here, and then you got another bulk of it right here. Flurries Sunday, flurries Monday, rain and snow with maybe some showery potential Tuesday, rain and snow potential Wednesday, flurries Thursday. Go fucking figure, man. So much shit happening here. We got that here. Sorry, that there. And that there. Yeah. And temperatures, here is how warm it is right now. Climbing steadily. It got down to 1 degree last night. Up to 5 degrees so far. Yeah, nothing special. Yeah. So yeah, pretty active stuff expected. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today. Yep. That's the current temperature. This is a big switch from the winter weather we've been experiencing over the course of the past few weeks. Several weeks. Something 9.4. It's not too unrealistic. Generally, most temperatures around the city right now range between 7 to 10 degrees. So you're on the upper end of the scale. See you guys in a little bit. Well, before I go out, temperature just increased 0.2 of a degree, well, 1/5 of a degree. So it's essentially 10 degrees now. Yeah, I just thought I would provide another quick update before I head outside just for a quick bit. Yep, now we're up to 10.1. So I get this in. Yeah. We'll probably peak in the next half an hour and to an hour and a half from now. Yeah. Alrighty, here is your 4 o'clock update here. So here is what's changed. Tomorrow we still got rain beginning early in the afternoon. Snow level around 800 meters. Now Monday night, instead of periods of rain, is rain, ending late in the evening, then mainly cloudy with 30% chance of showers, with the snow levels rising from 1,000 to 1,700 meters near midnight. In correlation, temperatures will rise to +4 by morning. Tuesday, we get another warm day here, after Monday's cooler day in comparison to today. Jesus. With Tuesday at 10 degrees and still windy. Beyond that, everything is still the same. Everything's still the same here. Yeah. Looking at temperatures here, we're going to show. Oh Jesus. Looking at Kelowna here, airport. Got up to 9.3 degrees today. It was at 3 o'clock, as you can see here. A little gusty in the noon hours. At noon. So our peak was at around between this 1 and 2 period right here. Got up to 10 degrees, as I showed earlier today, 10.1 to be exact. Yeah, but now it's dropping as the sun has gone down. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I actually haven't seen. Okay, so it did rain a little bit. Okay. Alrighty, that's about it, really. I will leave you guys with that, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow morning. Here's the forecast. So today we got ourselves still rain beginning early this afternoon, and then tonight we got ourselves that rain ending late this evening, then mainly cloudy, 30% chance of showers. That snow level rising from initially 800 meters right up to 2,000 meters overnight. Jesus. Temperatures rising to +4 by morning. Excuse me. Tuesday, we got 40% chance of showers late in the afternoon, with winds becoming south, 30 gusts to 50 in the morning. The high, toasty, well for November terms, toasty high of 13 degrees. And then cools right back down for Wednesday, with showers possible. And then Wednesday night at 60% chance of showers. Thursday we got 40% chance of flurries, question mark. And then Saturday night we got 30% chance of flurries, for Sunday with a 40% chance of rain showers or flurries. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. So there's Environment Canada's forecast. Let's hop on over to Weathernack here. So, yeah. Showers, the 17th. Mainly showers, the 18th. Maybe a mixture, 19th. Flurries, the 20th. Flurries the 21st. Light snow the 22nd. Light snow the 23rd. Flurries the 24th. They'll break on the 26th, and then flurries 27th, flurries 28th, flurries 29th, flurries 30th. In layman's terms, no break, except for the 26th. Jesus Christ. But yeah. Yeah. There you guys go. I will see you guys later on today. Well, I gotta quickly head in now. I gotta do just like 5 or so minutes more of things, and then I'll be right back out. Oh shit! Look at this. Actually, the flake sizes are huge. Oh, hold up a second. Oh my god, it's switching. After that bit of silence there. I am so happily mad right now, meaning I am happy. It's snowing, but I'm angry as hell. I was not expecting this to switch to fucking snow. It's coming, it's... I think it's a safe bet to add this to the so I mean, it is snowing, so I think I should probably add this as a snowfall date. I mentioned it was a rain-snow mix. If it doesn't fully switch to snow, which I quite honestly highly expect, but depends on the intensity of the precipitation. The precipitation intensity hangs around. So obviously the heavier it gets, the quicker the evaporation or cooling goes. Will this affect rainfall totals? A little bit, but it'll, depending on how this sticks around, it'll either be a big error or a small error. At the moment, it's pretty small error at the moment since it's just started, but I'm gonna get another minute of silent footage here, and then after that I'll see you. Well, actually 2 minutes, and after that I will have to go in for a bit, but I'll be quickly right back out. To getting a closer look at it, it's at about 0.15. So is that, yeah, it's under, but it's a little bit farther under than I thought. Noticed. Yeah, accumulation's gonna be zip, 100%. But yeah, depends all on how long this lasts. Like if it lasts like until midnight, we may get some very, very light accumulation on grassy surfaces, but other than that, I can pretty much expect no accumulation. Little to none. With like I said, more focused on grassy, lighter surfaces. Lighter meaning like vegetation. Trees, etc. Not so much trees. Unless they have leaves on them still, and which they actually still do. Those ones down there still have leaves on them. Yeah, I'll keep saying, it was slightly unexpected still. Despite the fact that I completely forgot yesterday about evaporational cooling and remembered everything else. Yeah. Well, thermodynamic wise. Yeah. Really can't say I'm surprised. It's 2020. We've seen already in November more snow than rain. It's like, usually November is kind of like that transition period to more like from rain to snow, rather than, well, October being our transition period from rain to snow. Ever since that big event, October 23rd, it's just been banging in with snow. I think we've recorded maybe a day or two of like actual rainfall. Maybe 2 or 3, sorry, including today. So yeah, 2 to 3. We'll chill out here for another, after this clip, another minute and a half, and then another 2 minutes, and then we'll head in. Be using this camera for the rest of the night, considering it is nighttime. Yeah, the camera sucks at nighttime stuff. But yeah, we have officially switched over to snow. Oh yeah, and that last clip will be silent. So I do use this footage every so often for Twitter. Yeah. Pretty much. Yeah. It is now basically snow. Slight bit of rain mixed in, I would guess, but it's really pretty much plain snow at this rate. Yeah. It's not the biggest flakes, but looks like this will be the precipitation for the rest of the night. As long as we keep this intensity, or how we pick up in intensity. Looks like this will be our story. I'm gonna head back over here for the silent bit. Alright, here's the new forecast here. Just scrolling through it quickly, just through here, just to show not much has really changed. But now, we got snow possible through until 7 o'clock, and then switching back over to rain apparently at 8, and then that precipitation ending at 10. And then scrolling back up here to what's really changed. We got snow changing to rain and ending late this evening. They may only cut out a 30% chance of showers. Snow level rises to 2,000 meters after midnight. 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. How the do you expect that with 1 degree temperatures? I don't even know, but who knows? I think 2 to 4 would be more appropriate. But anyways, temperatures rising to +4 by morning. Still warm tomorrow with a high of 12 degrees with a 40% chance of showers in the afternoon. Snow level lowers in the afternoon down to 1,600 meters, with winds becoming south 30 gusting to 50 in the morning. This is all in part due to an intense low pressure system off the coast. We got one round, this warm front coming through, then we got a cold front that'll be swinging in tomorrow as well. Well, one front swinging in tonight, then another one, then a cold front swinging in tomorrow. Oh, and then Tuesday night, 40% of showers in the evening, 1,600 meters snow level. And here is snow. We're going to use the snow color table, considering it is snowing, so it would make more sense to use this. We're under a pretty consistent area of snow at the moment. It looks like it may begin to pick up here in a bit. Just give it a bit here. There we go. As you can see here, I think there'll be a new heavier round coming in here in a bit, but you can see it's starting to lift up here, but because the origination of this precipitation is out of the southwest, you kind of see it training up out of the southwest almost. Kind of. Yeah, it just looks like it's moving that way, but the precipitation is going like this, but the actual movement of the precipitation is going that way, as the warm front continues to lift. But yeah, I expect snow intensity to pick up over the course of the next hour or so, especially if this can move in. It looks like most of the stuff looks like it'll be moving too far. It'll be moving too quick north to really give us that heavier rates, but still decently snowing. It'll still decently snow. But we'll see if this precipitation continues to the left. It looks like it's kind of stalled at the moment. It's steadily still, kind of. Yeah. But yeah, the actual precipitation is moving this way, but the heavier intensity rates are moving this way. So it's like precipitation this way, higher intensity rates this way. But yeah, this is how it looks. I will leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys later on tonight. Oh! Temperatures didn't even drop down to 0.9 from 4 degrees. That's wow. Yeah. Now there you guys go. I will now see you guys later on today. Tonight. You're fucking serious, man. What the hell? Oh my god. It is sticking quickly. Oh my god. In a matter of, I swear to God, matter of 3 hours, we've just gone from, oh jeez, I can't even be, I'm just speechless right now. This is genuinely just some of the most ridiculous, like, look at this. Unreal. Unreal, man. This is insane. We've just completely done a 180 here. Unreal. Wow. Man, I got fucked. fattiest flakes. I'm gonna switch over actually to a winter coat. I hate having a wet hoodie. Should have done that before I went out. It's completing. It is gone from, wow, I actually just realized Environment Canada's initial forecast was right. Oh, give me a bit. Just based off the forecast, I'm sure people probably had different ideas, but sure known evaporation cooling would have been a significant player in this type of event, where temperatures are like at 4 or 5 degrees and cloudy conditions are expected during the day and night, which would keep things cold and all that. It's like, yeah, should have expected with all these variables in play that there would have been some kind of snow potential. But yeah, it won't stick for long. It won't stick around. This snow melt tonight. Snows at night, melts at night. Warm front will push through, rising temperatures up to 4 degrees in the morning. By morning, all that should be interesting to see, especially with a cold front expected to pass through tomorrow as well. So it's a lot of shit happening with this, but so far it's unmeasurable snowfall really at the moment. It's under 0.2 centimeters, but we'll probably get up beyond that. Yeah. This really does a better job at showing it. Yeah, it's one of those days. It's one of those rare days where it actually just full on switches from rain to snow. It's not a common occurrence, I can tell you that much. Let alone a switch over like this is rare. The broken up cloudy conditions makes it look like it's rain. Makes it feel like rainy conditions, but looks like even bigger flakes are trying to mix in. This is ridiculous, man. I'm tempting to switch to the other camera. So this is becoming quite a memorable scene here. I think we're gonna do that now. Let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna switch cameras here. Accumulation still pretty blah at the moment. switching cameras. The only part of my body cold right now is my toes and my fingers, right hand. Oh Lord. That's never going to switch over. I thought we may have begun to start switching over to rain at some point, but I think it's at a point where it'll stay as snow until, well, really as long as this precipitation lasts, because this precipitation is supposed to last till about late this evening, some point this evening. At some point this evening, early, mid, late. It's already early this evening almost. It's about 5:30. I consider it afternoon until 6, and then 6 till midnight to me, just before midnight, so 11:59 p.m. as evening. And anywhere between that time frame, I expect this to end. Probably mid-late this evening. But this is all ahead of the warm front, so I highly expect this to stick around as snow until the warm front passes up and pushes all the snow away. Continues its push up and pushes all the snow away. Oh, gotta switch hands here. My hand's freezing. Try this instead. Oh, that's much better. Nope. Back in the jeans. Yeah. The light keeps going off. Yeah. You can tell pretty much. I should head over this way to show it more. It's starting to. Oh, there we go. Slightly you should see it, but it's starting to accumulate. Cedars as well. Yeah. Unsurprising. It's really at the same time, this is not surprising. Much as I did say this was quite unexpected, I'm not surprised it pulled the opposite. Seems when I think about it one way, it pulls the opposite. I like doing that. Anyways, it looks like it's definitely picked up since I brought this camera out. I am going to put up that will probably get about an inch of snow. That's my guess. Maximum. I'm going to guess about an inch of snow. See if it'll prove me wrong. And they give more or give way less. Trying to catch snowflakes. Ah! Ugh. Well, we're gonna call it like this. We're gonna do 2 more 2-minute videos here, so 2 minutes or less videos. So 4 more or less minutes, just casual snow footage here, and then we'll head in. And then I'll do a few more things, and I'll probably be back out here within a half an hour or so, with maybe a radar update in between. Yeah. Man. What is this season? I swear to God, this fall we've seen more snow than rain. Like, genuinely. I swear to God, we've seen more snow than rain. This is going to be one of the longest lasting snow seasons, I think, ever. Because with La Nina going to be really holding its ground throughout winter and into spring, potentially. I don't really see much of a... I can see this really lasting right until the end and beyond into early spring. How far into spring? Considering I said early spring, probably until early April the latest. Pretty much by that point, if it's not switched over to more, if it's not just straight up no more snow potential and it's done, I have questions. We'll have a longer lasting snow season than I think any other season. Yeah. Intensity rates are steady now. Looks like they've hit a benchmark here. Might be picking up slightly here and there. Slight intensity variations, obviously, but... Oh my God. I'll make sure to get out here before the snow really starts melting. With the temperature still dropping, I expect it to stick around. I'm sure I'll be able to get an official measurement before the snow starts really melting. So, crossing my fingers, I do manage to get a measurement before it starts melting profusely. Which that should not be until later on tonight, so... Yeah. Way later on tonight, so... But yeah. Should have brought a light out. Because this camera does not do well in dark lighting. And video footage. Yeah. So that's the radar. See it's starting to lighten up slowly further north. It's not as fast as I thought, but it is making its steps up. You can literally see it stepping there. You can see it moving up there, stops there, then starting to move a little bit back up again. This is just because of mountains and shit. Yeah. Well, yeah. We shall be under snow for at least the next few hours, so we'll see how much snow we get. I'll leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys a little bit later on. hate wet snow for this reason, because it never goes fully down. Half a centimeter, maybe. Let's go over a bit. What's that shit? Take this. Yeah. Yep. Sitting at about half a centimeter of actual accumulation. Yeah. Yeah. We will actually pull off around the house here in a bit. Let it continue to snow. And then we will. It'll be a mini one, obviously, because there's not much snow around. But what I mean by that is we'll only go from the front to the back of the house. Only once around. Is what I'm getting at, essentially. Yeah, that'd be about the same. I'm just looking to see if that would change anything, trying the recycling bin, but oh shit. Yeah. It's pretty much lightened up. Pretty much here. It's kind of just very small. Well, it's not small, very small flakes. It's just small flakes now. Like I said, we're about half a centimeter of accumulated snowfall. Yeah. Ground is. It has a little bit of a slickness to it. It's not like icy slick, but it is slick. Yeah. About half a centimeter of snow. Well, make sure we update that in a bit. See it? Oh. Hey. So it's sticky on here for a second, but it's just a really large coating of slush. Well, not large, but it's a decent coating of slush. But yeah, the warm front is a little bit further north than initially anticipated. I was initially anticipating it, well, at least based off of yesterday's OOZ models, which is 24 plus hours old, so no shit, this is quite a bit off. Well, somewhat off. But the warm front is currently located probably just north or along, essentially, the BC border. We're at this point. It's either just north or just south of the BC-Washington border right now. Or BC-US border right now. Which, where I had it initially was, it would be south to just south of the BC-US border. South being like probably around like the northern third of Washington, whereas, yeah, one way or another I had it south of the border, and it's currently more than likely just north of the BC-Washington border right now. So essentially what I'm expecting here is this could be switching over to snow in the next couple hours. But yeah. Oh, coating of snow. You see this here? Yeah. What we'll do is go 2 minutes with this clip here, 2 minutes again, then we'll head in. Look at that. Yeah, pretty slushy stuff on the roads right now. It's not the greatest conditions. Well, I should say on the neighborhood roads. As you can kind of see, it's on tip. It's definitely slightly slushy. Well, slick. But, yeah. It's not icy slick. It's more slushy slick. Yeah, temperature is almost below freezing already. Last time I checked, it was at about half a degree or so. And I think that was about half an hour ago, so. Yeah. Alright, we are going to take a walk around now. What we'll do is... well, actually... chill here for... oh, shit. Chill here for another minute, up to the minute mark. Yeah. And then I'll switch it off and start heading in. Yeah, you know what? Let's just go now. I'm actually at a point where I just want to head in. Let's quickly head over here. Whoa! It's a little bit slippery at the top there. Yeah, very light coating of snow. Very light. It's a very nice coating. Whoa. It is a lot slipperier on these surfaces. Actually, what am I doing? Should be leaving this open. Yeah. Yeah. Where are we going? Yeah. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. I will see you guys probably in a little bit later on for around the house. Yep. Oh, let's see now. Wait a second. Yeah. Well, we'll say about less. Well, it's about 1 centimeter. It seems fair to say. Yeah, it's fair to say it's about 1 centimeter. It's hard to believe it's less than that. Just gonna put the. Oh, jeez. I'm just gonna put this away. Alright, let's give it a go around here. Just give me a second. Actually, you know what? No, let me just lower the lighting here a bit. Yeah. Snow's pretty much ended. As you can tell here, it's pretty much at its end point here. All I'll do is show you guys the radar later on this evening. But I think that's about as much snow as we'll get. So obviously not switching over to rain, but it's not going to be 5 to 10 centimeters. I'll be able to do one more of these out of the front. I know as I was going to do a short one with this one, but I just realized let's just do a long one, and then we'll do a short one again later on when it's mainly stopped snowing. It's still snowing lightly, but still at a fair enough intensity that we could still get a tenth of accumulation in centimeters. A little bit of a breeze might be a sign of something. Question mark. But yeah, 1 centimeter snow, fair enough amount. Nothing amazing, but nothing. But enough to bring those totals up for the season up to 23 centimeters for the season now. Keep it going, boys. Doesn't seem like we're going to stop. October and November, we've already recorded 23.2 centimeters of snow. Might as well be December already. Only difference is there's literally no fucking solid snowpack here. Yeah. Yeah, gonna call it off here now. I will leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys later on this evening. Yeah.